So satellite orbits are three types: geosynchronous satellites, middle earth orbit satellites and low earth orbit satellites. So there are three types of orbits are available in the satellite orbits, but before going to categorize these three orbits, we need to consider two constraints, two parameters. Those two parameters are, the first one is altitude and second one is inclination. These two parameters are needed to consider for classifying the satellite orbits. So what is meant by altitude? Which means simply the height of the satellite from the earth surface. Altitude means what? Simply the height of the satellite from the earth surface, not from the equator, from the earth surface to the satellite height, which is called as altitude. And second one is inclination. We need to consider for categorizing the orbits. The inclination means simply the angle, that means the angle between the orbital plane to the equator of the earth. For suppose the satellite is here and the orbital plane, the angle between this orbital plane to this equator of the earth is called an inclination, simply inclination or angle. So these two, height and angle, these two parameters are required to classify the three satellite orbits. So there are three satellite orbits. First one is geostationary or geosynchronous earth orbit. So second one middle earth orbit, third one low earth orbit. So how to categorize these three based on this height and inclination? Let us see that diagram. So if you observe, this is the earth and geosynchronous or geostationary satellite earth shape is like this, circular. It is rotating on the earth in circular way. Okay, and the height of this geo orbit from the earth is around approximately 36,000 kilometer, but the approximated range, if you consider, you need to say 36,000, but exact height of this is 35,790 kilometers, but better to write 36,000 kilometers is the approximate distance from the earth to the geosynchronous or geostationary orbit. And if you observe the satellite in this orbit from the earth station, it is always providing you 24 hours view. 24 hours view. So if you observe this satellite in this orbit from the earth, it is providing you 24 hours view of that particular space. And to cover this entire earth surface, there are three satellites are sufficient in this orbit. Three satellites are sufficient to cover the entire earth surface. And the lifespan of each satellite in this orbit is around 15 to 18 years. So based on these parameters, we are going to categorize the geosynchronous or geo-earth station orbit. So let us see the MEO, middle earth orbit. So the name itself contains, which is the middle orbit between the LEO and GEO. But before going to tell about MEO, let us see the LEO, low earth orbit. The name contains the meaning LEO, low earth orbit. It is very closely to the earth. Means the height of this low earth orbit is around 500 to 1500 kilometers only. So due to of this short distance, there may be many satellites are required to cover the entire earth surface. So, and also the lifespan of this is simply 2 to 8 years only. 2 to 8 years. Okay. And if you consider the inclination angle for the